Every birdwatcher walking Himalayan terrain carries the same quiet hope: to find a thrush. Not because they're rare, because they're a sign that the forest around you is exactly the kind of forest it should be: cool, undisturbed, layered with shade. The Western Himalaya doesn't announce itself all at once. It builds in layers of its own, ridgeline behind ridgeline, each one a shade paler than the last, until the furthest peaks dissolve into haze and sky becomes impossible to separate from stone. Somewhere between 2,000 and 3,500 meters, the slopes turn green, a moist, cool band where conifer and broadleaf forest hold the mountainside, neither one giving ground to the other. This is the middle country of the mountains, too high for the valley heat, too low for the bare rock and snow above. A narrow world, and for the patient birdwatcher, often a rewarding one. Somewhere in that green band, unseen for now, a short, breathy whistle drifts across the slope, unhurried, almost conversational. It belongs to a bird wearing his own name across his body, gray-hooded, chestnut-flanked, at home in exactly this altitude and nowhere else. This is the range of the Chestnut Thrush, and this film is his introduction. He belongs to the true thrush genus Turdus, the same lineage that gives the world blackbirds and robins of the old kind, birds built for cool forests, ground-level hunting, and songs pitched somewhere between melody and conversation. Across the western Himalaya, from the Safed Koh ridgeline on the Afghan-Pakistan frontier eastward, through Kashmir and into the hill states of northern India, the chestnut thrush holds a narrow, specific kind of ground, not too low, not too high, the cool, moist middle band of the mountains where conifer meets broadleaf and neither quite wins. Up close, he reads like a bird assembled from 3 separate pallets and somehow made coherent. A soft ash-gray hood, unbroken, almost monastic, wings and tail in unrelieved black. And beneath it all, back, belly, flanks, a deep, burnished chestnut orange that catches low light and holds it. No other large forest thrush across his range wears this combination. Most of his relatives here run dark, uniform, easy to overlook in dim understory. He is not built to disappear. He is built to be recognized the instant the light finds him. He belongs to the moist, temperate forest, coniferous stands, mixed broadleaf, the shaded elevation band roughly between 2,000 and 3,500 meters, where undergrowth is thick and the forest floor stays damp enough to work. That floor is his workplace. He moves across it the way a careful reader moves across a page, flipping leaf litter, turning small stones of soil, searching not by sight alone but by patient disturbance, insects and their larvae, earthworms. The occasional slug or snail, and as autumn tightens its grip and insects grow scarce, berries take over the menu almost entirely. A seasonal pivot that carries him through the leaner months. Altitude for him is seasonal geography. As Himalayan winter descends, breeding birds shift downslope, some traveling only far enough to escape the deepest snow, others pushing further into lower valleys until spring calls them back up. Within Pakistan, the chestnut thrush is no rarity. It is described as locally common across the moist temperate forest belt of the north from the Safeco frontier through Chitral, Swat, Kegan, the hill forests around Murray, and into Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Globally, the IUCN lists the species as least concern. No alarm bells here, only the quiet, ongoing presence of a bird that has found its niche in Pakistan's northern forest, and, for now, holds it comfortably. He is easy to miss and impossible to mistake. A bird wearing his own name across his body, red and grey, moving quietly through the cool middle heights of a mountain range that has, for now, made room enough for him. The Chestnut Thrush. Pakistan's grey-hooded wanderer of the temperate forest floor.